Uranus is a fascinating planet, and one of the most interesting things about it is its unique axial tilt. It's tilted at a whopping 98 degrees, which is basically sideways. This has some serious implications for our understanding of planetary formation. Think about it. Most planets, including Earth, have a relatively small 23.5-degree axial tilt. So why is Uranus so different? One of the biggest mysteries surrounding Uranus is why it's tilted at such an extreme angle compared to other planets. Is it just a freak of nature, or is there something more going on? Some scientists think that Uranus might have suffered a massive impact in the distant past, something that could have caused its axis to shift so dramatically. But if that's the case, what could have caused such an impact? Was it another planet, or maybe even a moon? Another possibility is that Uranus's tilt is due to gravitational interactions with its neighbors. Maybe the gravitational pull of nearby planets, like Jupiter and Saturn, had a profound effect on Uranus's rotation. But if that's true, why aren't other planets affected in the same way? The more we study Uranus, the more questions we seem to have. Did it form in a different way than other planets? Was it once part of a larger body that broke apart? One of the most compelling theories to explain Uranus's tilt is the idea that it suffered a massive impact in the early days of the solar system. This impact could have caused the planet's axis to shift, resulting in the extreme tilt we see today. But what's really interesting is that scientists think they might have found evidence of this impact in the form of a massive moon orbiting Uranus. This moon, called Miranda, has a surface that's unlike anything we've seen before, with massive cliffs and canyons that suggest a violent history. If we can understand how this moon formed, we might be able to unlock the secrets of Uranus itself. Another key piece of evidence is the way Uranus's magnetic field is tilted relative to its rotation. This tilt suggests that the planet's interior is highly asymmetric, which could be evidence of a massive impact in the past. It's a complex topic, but basically, the magnetic field is like a giant compass that tells us about the planet's internal structure. The evidence is mounting, and it's clear that Uranus's tilt is no accident. From massive impacts to gravitational interactions, it's clear that there's a lot going on beneath the surface. And the more we learn about Uranus, the more we're reminded of just how complex and fascinating our universe really is. What do you think is the most likely explanation for its tilt? Let me know in the comments below.